once you're down and out, there was hardly anyone who came to help me. There was hardly anyone who was looking towards me and saying, let's work together and try to get your game up to speed. Everyone was just going after me left, right and center. So I was like, am I playing to prove these people wrong? For what? I've got nothing to do with them. So I went back home. I was down for quite a bit. The great thing that happened at that stage was I realized who was with me, who was not. Things were filtered to an extent that I just got so relaxed when I went back home. I was like, okay, I've hit rock bottom now. No one believes in me. Everyone thinks I should not be playing test cricket. So what can I do? I can just work as hard as I can. Went into a bubble. I went to Bombay as well. I called Sachin Tendulkar. I asked for his help. I said, see, I want to get my game right. I want to understand what it's like to score runs at this level. My mindset was simple. I went back home. I told myself, listen, you can't play test cricket to show people that you can play in England and play in Australia and not get out. And if you don't score, it's no point. You play this game to make your team win. So my mindset was, I'm going to go to Australia, and how am I going to score runs against these guys? I wasn't going out there to survive. And from the time I got back home till the Australia tour, I promise you, I was visualizing every day when I was working out in the gym that I'm hitting Mitchell Johnson, I'm hitting these guys all over the park. And those things came to life eventually because I convinced myself to an extent. When I went there, I was absolutely fearless and things just started flowing.
अब नहीं परवाह कोई, कुछ छूटता हो छूट जाए, पर अब नहीं चूकूंगा मैं, ये वार अब कुछ और होगा, इस बार रण कुछ और होगा, इस बार रण कुछ और होगा। था टूट कर बिखरा हुआ, हारा हुआ, सोया हुआ, एक आग